International state institutions now contribute to the financing of development projects and reconstruction of Somalia, replacing what was earlier emergency food aid donations. Turkey has been the most robust in the reconstruction of Somalia. Turkish companies have built schools and public facilities and are now working on the capital's restoration of pavement in the city's streets.
But particularly the countries that very much expressing quite interest is Turkey, who has been trying to get involved in Somalia over the last 2 years. There are a number of countries, including the US, who are also eyeing on Somalia as a potential investment by the business community of that country.
Aside from taking part in renovating the airport, Turkish Airlines remains the only international carrier with 3 direct weekly flights to Somalia. There is as well the presence of busy Turkish construction companies in the capital.
In this area that you see in this facility, we are going to make a concrete producing plant, and the briquettes and sidewalks produce stone producing facilities. And also at the back side here, we are going to make an asphalt plant.
Saudi Arabia recently launched the first phase of projects for reconstruction and development of Somalia at a cost of $72 million under the auspices of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation. The Somali government now says it prioritizes reconstruction of its war-ravaged country and the provision of basic services to the citizens.
I
would like to remind everyone that Somalia is now a place of reconstruction, which requires attention that is bigger than before. We are determined to rebuild our country, develop our economy, and provide for our children's education and health services.
At the recent UK-organized London conference, 54 friendly nations and partners of Somalia met to craft a new beginning for the Horn of Africa country, where millions of dollars in development and reconstruction was pledged. Though Somalia faces a rather long road towards reconstruction, the country emerges from being the poster child of failed African states. International institutions financing various development projects are key in rebuilding the country that has been embroiled in a 2-decade conflict. Mohammed Hirmogi, CCTV, Mogadishu.